I'm going to talk about civil law versus common law. The origins of civil law are from the Roman law, more specifically from the Corpus Juris Civilis of the Emperor Justinian. This is in the Middle Ages. The Corpus Juris Civilis evolved into the Napoleonic Code that is now the base of the civil law. For the common law, it is built up from the common customs. It came from the Anglo-Saxon law, first found in the UK and then in the US and all the English colonies. The fundamental points of civil law are that it has a codified system developed by the legislator. The courts apply the law. It has a judicial panel. Judges only examine and direct. And it has multiple specialized courts. The lawyers debate and oppose also. For the common law, it is created and based on case law. It relies on precedents. The courts are responsible to create the law. It has a judge and a jury. Judges are like referees. It has a unified court structure, and lawyers advise and inform. The countries with civil law are Mexico, Central American countries, and South American countries, Asia, and Europe. For the common law, it's North America except for Mexico, the UK, and Oceania. The roles of judges and lawyers are different in the civil law and the common law. In the civil law, the judges direct the cases. It has a judicial panel. For the common law, there is a judge and a jury, and judges are like referees. In the civil law, the lawyers debate and oppose, and in the common law, the lawyers advise and inform. The courts in the civil law have a deductive legal reasoning. It has a diffuse court structure. It has a lot of specialized courts. It's a collaborative format. In the common law, it has a inductive legal reasoning. It has a unified court structure, and it's confrontational format. Thank you.